Did you know that the average human hair grows about half an inch per month? That's 6 inches a year? For many people, that feels incredibly slow, especially when you're dreaming of long, flowing locks. It's a common frustration I hear about all the time. People are constantly searching for that one magic bullet, that secret product or expensive treatment. We see countless ads for supplements and shampoos, each promising miraculous results. But often, the real solutions are simpler and closer than we think, sometimes hiding right in our own kitchens. So what if I told you that a common vegetable, one you probably use to season your food every week, could be a game changer for your hair health? It might sound a little strange, even a bit unbelievable. But we're talking about the humble onion. Yes, that same tear-jerking bulb sitting on your counter holds powerful properties that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to promote hair growth. So, what makes an onion so special for your hair? It's not magic, it's science. The biggest hero in this story is sulfur. Onions are incredibly rich in dietary sulfur, which is a key component of keratin. Keratin is the protein that makes up the vast majority of your hair strands. Think of sulfur as one of the essential building blocks your body needs to produce strong, resilient hair. When you apply onion juice to your scalp, you're delivering this vital nutrient directly to the hair follicles, which can help support the hair growth cycle and build tougher strands that are less prone to breakage. But the benefits don't stop with sulfur. Onions also contain powerful antioxidants, like flavonoids, which play a crucial protective role. Your scalp is constantly exposed to environmental stressors, from pollution to UV radiation, which can create free radicals. In a 2002 study published in the Journal of Dermatology, researchers looked at the effects of topical crude onion juice on patients with alopecia areata. The results were pretty compelling. Nearly 87% of the participants who applied onion juice experienced hair regrowth, compared to only 13% in the group using tap water. Ready to try this for yourself? Making onion juice at home is surprisingly simple, and you don't need any fancy equipment. First, you'll need to gather your materials: 1 or 2 medium-sized onions, a knife, a blender or grater, and a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. Start by peeling the onions and chopping them into small, manageable pieces. If you have a blender or food processor, this is the easiest method. Simply toss the chopped onion pieces into the blender and pulse them until you have a smooth, watery paste. Once you have your onion paste, place it into a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer set over a bowl. Squeeze the cloth or press down on the pulp with a spoon to strain out all of the potent, nutrient-rich juice. Now that you have your fresh onion juice, it's time for the application. The best way to do this is to use a cotton ball or a small spray bottle. Dab it directly onto your scalp, making sure to cover the entire area, especially your roots. Take a few minutes to gently massage it with your fingertips using circular motions. This massage helps increase blood circulation to the scalp. You can put on a shower cap to contain the smell and prevent drips. Let the juice sit on your scalp for at least 30 minutes, but no longer than an hour, before rinsing it out. Let's be honest, the biggest drawback of using onion juice on your hair is the strong, lingering smell. It's the #1 reason people are hesitant to try this hack. But don't worry, there are effective ways to manage it. One of the best tips is to add a few drops of an essential oil to your onion juice mixture before applying it. Peppermint, rosemary, or lavender oil not only help mask the onion scent, but also have their own hair benefits, like stimulating circulation. Then you can use a diluted apple cider vinegar rinse before you shampoo. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water, pour it over your scalp, let it sit for a minute, and then rinse it out. For best results, consistency is absolutely key. This isn't a one-time miracle cure. It's a treatment that works over time. Aim to apply the onion juice to your scalp about 2 to 3 times a week. Applying it more frequently won't necessarily speed up the results and could potentially lead to scalp irritation. Finally, remember that hair health is holistic. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals like iron and zinc. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, and try to manage your stress levels, as high stress can contribute to hair shedding. While onion juice is a natural remedy, it's important to remember that natural doesn't automatically mean it's right for everyone. The most critical first step is to perform a patch test. Wait for 24 hours to see if you have any adverse reactions, such as redness, intense itching, or hives. If you experience any irritation, this treatment is likely not for you. If you find the pure juice too strong, you can easily dilute it. Try mixing the onion juice with a soothing carrier agent like aloe vera gel, coconut oil, or honey. A good rule of thumb is to start with a shorter duration, maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and see how your scalp feels. If all is well, you can gradually increase the time. If you have a pre-existing scalp condition like psoriasis or eczema, it's always best to talk to your doctor or a dermatologist before trying a new home remedy like this. With a little care and attention, you can harness the power of this simple vegetable and hopefully enjoy stronger, healthier, and longer hair.